Hip and knee pain has a way of quietly shrinking your life. You stop taking the stairs, you skip walks, you sit out of activities that you used to love, and at some point you start wondering if surgery is inevitable. Well, I want to offer a different perspective for you. You see, hip and knee pain is one of the most common things we treat here at LifeWorks Integrative Health in Shawnee, Kansas. And one of the biggest mistakes I see people make is waiting too long to address it, or going straight to pain management without ever asking what's actually happening within the joint itself. See, the most common myth that I hear is that joint pain just means the joint is worn out and there's nothing you can do short of replacing it. And that's just not what the research supports. You see, the joint environment, meaning the level of inflammation, the quality of the fluid, the health of the surrounding tissue, can all influence your joint pain. And how you're loading that joint through movement and alignment patterns matters enormously. You see, conventional approaches, they typically offer cortisone injections or short-term relief or fast-track patients right to surgery. What often happens is they skip this biomechanical issue and the inflammatory drivers that are really creating this joint pain, and they completely dismiss any regenerative options that might be appropriate to heal your joints. You see, at LifeWorks, we combine physical medicine, chiropractic with regenerative approaches for the right patients. And we always start by understanding the full picture of what's happening in your hip or your knee before we recommend anything. So if you're dealing with hip or knee pain here in the Kansas City area and you want a real evaluation, call us and we'll sit down and we'll do a consultation to figure out what your best step moving forward is for your joint pain.